Ohanase Igbo Igbo. Igwe Credo biala otego mbiadebe maka na ọtụtụ iwe na-emezi ọkachasị n'afele mba ụwa. Fact iwe dị ọtụtụ na-eme n'ụwa niile. Ya ohila ọsọ odumeje na. Okay. Ọtụtụ iwe na-eme. Agwa m ụmụnne m ndị na-eme ọdịnala wee sịba, as long as Anambra State the concern now, even when in air out to the public, be careful. Be very, very careful. Soludo is a professor, and the Obro can they go out what's a reason, can they go out what's a reason. I said it before. They come on the Baliam. They come on the Baliam. But I want to tell you that one thing, no, Jikolo, Ndidi Ganine, not under detention, Anambra State, bo, vocal. Their speech, even a dish out to the public. The government and for Anambra State are Chorosia. Government are Choro, even ya umadi, onwe well. Government say, onwe iwi no chata mo iwi ma. Ibia na office, bam. Onwe mgbe si onwe iwi ma. Onwe kepi ma. Ye put on social media, put way out on the media. Those things are they put out on the media. On they paint this state black. On they may investors. And they chenabo. Government now try can bring down investors to invest in the state as a resourceful state. If we send them money, they put out some kind of weddings. Ghana investors were now also they made the state to look like a deadly and corrupt in terms of cultural. Kaizo china tekene no nwanyi onwe iwi no chata ma onwe iwi ma government ikulu ibia na office kowa government a unke mmadora. It is a democratic system of government. In as much as nishi na anya nwe ka Nigeria keta mana Anambra State no na aka onye nwa ihe ọ na-eme. Anambra State no na aka onye nwa ihe ọ na-eme. Somebody that is learned and knows how to communicate and inter-ally with the citizens. I made some certain calls now. Na one of the famous native doctor Mama nokwa under detention. Mwejua kamwali batan I was saying not based on the vocare. Vocaris vocatum. Iye kunonu. Even in the on the media. Go and read the new Anambra State Security Law. On the media. The government has given you the opportunity to come to the office and lay complaint of things if we do wrong. We should know how we use the media for the betterment of all of us. I will need a kubu church and media. Napuo. Iwatago. Napuo. I chosen the ane paint Anambra State black. Onwe we chop taje report on a government. The social media is not a place for you to come and say something that will bring about anarchy, hate, and disrespect to the state. You got to go let us protect this state. Can investors sign when a state ajina abachan also. So even most of our brothers are under government investigation and detention. Abro no name much thing. Not based on their utterance. Because I see na 4 days no you may will and you go. You want to luon or menkawa. Can you mean I try to talent them money? Because I see no melomado kite. Only a 200 million. No one want you at 200 million. No one 200 million na account ya. No you metal on your kite after 2 days. onye nwa buru ike ụlọ odogwu ụlọ ọgaranya. Kedu ihe na-achị portray to the general public and foreign investors for that matter? It is bringing about problems in the state. Even in the government, from here as Navanachi megide citizen or megide a particular religion. Onwe pastor, ma wonu ko unifu. Pugolo kude anga that will bring about a bad image to the state. My government ya me invite. Such pastor will be arrested. Above the law. So let us try as much as possible. Kind of sense I bring out on the media. When you put in your page, on go post to somewhere, go and delete it, bring it down. Because you can use it against you now. So that is it. So no kakowa. Obu ni nwelu ngwongwo ni na-eme ọdịnala ni nwelu ngwongwo ọwụ na maọwụ mmụọ ọwụ na iti n'ite. Wesisi anything n'ite dibei. Daka gọọmenti bịa yara ajụ imo oke ite, ma afụkwala n'ite ite awụrụ gị ite. Maọwụ ite maọwụ ọkụ maọwụ eku, as long as na ọ dị round. Nwe ite shape. Wesisi anyebei. To avoid embarrassment and the now. On the wutem no under detention and under investigation. On the wutem because they have a family to take care of. Man, another about government and my fortune wouldn't video na kajo government ne kugasio kumaka governor and all those things. It is not done. You can't fight the government no matter who you are. That is why a governor has immunity. You cannot fight him and win. Everything he does as a sitting governor, he's doing it as in the capacity of a governor, the #1 citizen of the state and the chief security officer of the state. And what on your governor called in Aka through the Attorney General of the state. So biko ayo kan na yo. Time alone even they kugasi online, even they put out on the media that brings bad name to our society. Oh, I had the news this morning and I was very, very sad. Oh, if you name me got a yon when you name my dochelanya, Jabanya Makokawa. Kaitika kon ka state ya demma. I'm no for that like video me. I yes I send akwo mogwo. Awura ta ka eku go na Zion kwo mogwo. Kwo na apuga kwo mogwo. Kwo na governor kwo mogwo. Onwe ni eku we nwere ndị asibe ekwu na ba kwo mogwo. Kwo na ndị ụka kwo mogwo. Mana eziokwu ka ya na ekwu. Ka imalu ni even they put out on the media that brings a bad name and a bad image to our state. Biko ayo kan na yo. Nkoye ti nya zalun. Dalun.